Hello children, I hope you all are happy and strong today. Welcome to our special English hour. Here we will sing, dance and listen to a lot of stories. यहाँ हम गाने गाएंगे, डांस करेंगे और बहुत सारी कहानियाँ सुनेंगे. Are you all ready to have some fun? Then please stand up and come a little closer to your TV. Please खड़े हो जाएं और अपने टीवी के जरा सा नजदीक आ जाएं. Now I request all of you to join me in this wonderful song. Children, today we will do the freeze dance. Here all of us will dance together. But every time I say freeze, you have to stop whatever you are doing and stand in the same position. आज हम फ्रीज डांस करने वाले हैं. यहाँ हम सभी साथ मिलकर डांस करेंगे. लेकिन जब भी मैं आपको फ्रीज कहूँ, आपको वो एक्शन छोड़कर आप जो भी पोजीशन में खड़े हैं, उसी जगह स्टैचू हो जाना है, यानी रुक जाना है. Whoever leaves their position is out. जो भी अपनी जगह छोड़ दे वो आउट हो जाएगा. Are you all ready? Let us try to do it once. So, shake, shake, shake. Can you try to do this with me? Shake, shake, shake. Jump up and down. Can you do this with me? क्या आप ये स्टेप्स को मेरे साथ दोहराने की कोशिश करेंगे? Shake, shake, shake. Jump up and down. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Now freeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Very well done. So, we have to stay in the same position for 8 counts. हमें उस पोजीशन में 8 काउंट्स तक रुकना है. Let's try the next line. Wave, wave, wave both your hands. Can you try to do this with me? Shake, shake, shake. Wave both your hands. Wave, wave, wave. Now freeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Very good. Now let's move to our next line. Shake, shake, shake. Walk on your toes. Now, walk on your toes means you have to walk like this. आपको आपके पैरों की उंगलियों पर चलना है. Can you try to do this with me? क्या आप इस एक्शन को मेरे साथ करने की कोशिश करेंगे? Shake, shake, shake. Walk on your toes. Walk, walk, walk. Now freeze. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This was very difficult, right? ये बहुत मुश्किल था. Now let's move to our last step. Are you all ready? Shake, shake, shake. Roll both your hands. Roll, roll. Can you try to do this with me? क्या आप इस स्टेप को मेरे साथ करने की कोशिश करेंगे? Let's go. Shake, shake, shake. Roll and roll. Roll, roll, roll. Now freeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We have learned the freeze dance. Now, are you all ready to do this on some music? चलो अब हम ये सारे स्टेप्स कुछ म्यूजिक पर करते हैं. Let's go.
Shake, 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 jump up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Now freeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Shake, 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 shake. Wave both your hands. Wave and wave and wave. Now freeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Shake, 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 shake. Walk on your toes. Walk, walk, walk. Now freeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Shake, 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 shake. Roll, roll around. Roll and roll and roll. Now freeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Wow! You have learned the freeze dance.
I hope you all had fun dancing to this freeze dance with me. Now, it's time for all of us to learn some new words. अब हम सब मिलकर कुछ नए शब्द सीखेंगे. G A T E Gate, gate, gate. Please open the gate. T R E E S, trees, trees, trees. There are a lot of trees in the forest. P L A N T, plant, plant, plant. All of us should plant trees. M O R E, more, more, more. Rekha always wants to eat more and more food. N E A R. Near, near, near. There is a mango tree near my house. Now, I will read these words for you once again. And this time, I want all of you to try and read these words with me. अब मैं आप सभी को ये शब्द एक और बार पढ़ के दिखाऊंगी, लेकिन इस बार मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप सभी इन शब्दों को मेरे साथ दोहराएं. Are you all ready? Our first word is gate. Children, can you try to say gate? क्या आप gate ये शब्द बोलने की कोशिश करेंगे? Very good. Our next word is trees. Can you try to say trees? Very good. Our next word is plant. Can you try to say plant? Good. Our next word is more. Can you try to say more? Very good. And our last word is near. Children, can you try to say near? Excellent. I hope all of you were able to read these words with me. Children, we have learned a lot of different poems in our sessions. हमने हमारे सेशंस में बहुत सारे अलग-अलग poems यानी कविताएं सीखी हैं. Today we are going to learn a different kind of poem. Please open page number 38 of your My English textbook. If you have a textbook, please point your finger on the words with me. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक है तो अपनी उंगली को इस तरह मेरे साथ शब्दों पर रखें. But if you don't have a textbook, please don't worry. Listen to me carefully. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं, मुझे ध्यान से सुनिए. The name of our poem is Number Song. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Plant the trees more and more. 1, 2, 3 और 4 हमें और ज्यादा पेड़ उगाने चाहिए. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Plant the trees near the gate. 5, 6, 7 and 8 हमें पेड़ों को दरवाजे के पास लगाना चाहिए. 9 and 10. 9 and 10. Plant the trees double of 10. Double of 10. 9 and 10. 9 and 10 हमें 10 से दुगने पेड़ लगाने चाहिए. Now that we have read the poem, let us sing this poem together. अब हमने इस कविता को पढ़ ली है, तो अब बारी है इसे साथ मिलकर गाने की. Are you all ready? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Plant the trees more and more. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Plant the trees near the gate. 9 and 10, 9 and 10. Plant the trees, double of 10, double of 10. I hope all of you were able to sing this poem with me and had a lot of fun singing it too. मैं आशा करती हूँ कि आप सभी इस पोएम को मेरे साथ मिलकर गा पाएं और गाने में आपको बहुत मजा भी आया. Now, let me ask you all a question. Children, what do you see in this picture? क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि आपको इस तस्वीर में क्या नजर आ रहा है? Yes, we see a balloon. हमें इस तस्वीर में एक बलून नजर आ रहा है. Now, since there is only one balloon, we will say that we see one balloon in this picture. हमें इस तस्वीर में एक बलून नजर आ रहा है, right? Now let me ask you another question. Now, what do you see in this picture? अब आपको इस तस्वीर में क्या नजर आ रहा है? Yes, we see a lot of balloons. हमें इस तस्वीर में बहुत सारी बलून्स नजर आ रही हैं, right? So, we will say many balloons. हम इन्हें बहुत सारे बलून्स यानी many balloons कहेंगे. When there is only one object, we say one. When there are a lot of objects, we say many. जब कोई एक चीज होती है तब हम one कहते हैं, लेकिन जब बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं तब हम many कहते हैं. Now let us do an activity. On your screen, you will see some pictures. You have to look at the pictures carefully and tell me if there is one object or many. अब आपको आपकी स्क्रीन पर कुछ तस्वीरें नजर आएंगी. आपको इन तस्वीरों को गौर से देखकर मुझे ये बताना है कि क्या आपको इस तस्वीर में एक चीज नजर आ रही है या बहुत सारी, one or many. Are you all ready? Let's go. Children, can you tell me what is this? क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि ये क्या है? Yes, this is a bird. Now, how many birds do you see in the first picture? आपको पहली तस्वीर में कितनी birds नजर आ रही हैं? See in the first picture. आपको पहली तस्वीर में कितने बोट्स नजर आ रहे हैं? We see one boat in the first picture. Now, how many boats do you see in the second picture? आपको दूसरी तस्वीर में कितने बोट्स नजर आ रहे हैं? I hope you all liked this session. Learned numbers from 1 to 10. आज हमने 1 to 10 तक नंबर्स यानी संख्याएं सीखी हैं। 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now I want all of you to show your family and friends how to count from 1 to 10. अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप सभी अपने परिवार और दोस्तों को भी 1 से 10 तक काउंट करके दिखाएं। I will see you all in the next session. Until then, stay home and take care. Bye bye.